bringing up the concept of health can actually turn the conversation from maybe an absolute no to a let's talk about this. I'm Adele Houghton. I'm an architect. I also have a Master of Public Health, and I have a consulting company called BioSitu that provides green building and public health and climate change consulting. I think the best way to think about how you would begin is to look at health data, population health data, in a similar way that you would approach a contextual analysis of any site. So looking at where are you going to connect to the utilities, where are you going to connect to the storm sewer, how are you going to connect to existing electrical, etc. Where do you need to put your curb cuts to get onto the street? These are things that you're not going to just make up. You've got to look at the context of the site. Is there topography? What's the soil type? And so the health data, you can look at it in the same way. All local public health departments also perform community profiles, health profiles. So you can look at some of these reports that already exist of a certain area to give you a better idea of what are the specific health challenges in that area. And if you're really lucky, you might already have access to something called a health impact assessment that might have been done of that neighborhood or of that development or a piece of that development, which might have already answered some of these prioritization questions for you. So the question is, why would we do it? Why do we even talk about this? And basically, health is a neutralizing topic. It's a topic that really becomes personal. And particularly, I've found it useful to talk about individual health concerns. So even when I've talked to clients who say might be the CEO of a bank, when you bring up the word asthma, they start talking about their kid, and their kid has asthma, et cetera, et cetera. And so it's not even talking about children and health in a K-12 environment. I mean, just bringing up health in any kind of conversation that is moving in a direction that you want it to go, maybe for other reasons, for efficiency reasons.